Hey guys, welcome back to another vlog. Today is December 31st. It is a Monday and it is New Year's Eve actually. I want to update you guys a little bit on what I did the past 3 days because I went on a ski trip, but I didn't vlog it because I'm a bit shy and I wasn't gonna really bring my camera on the slopes, and my phone literally dies if I take a picture. So we went on the ski trip. We went to Poconos, we went to the Camelback ski resort, ski place, and it's my first time ever snowboarding. I decided to snowboard because everybody else was doing it and I thought it looked really cool, so I decided to snowboard that day. And it was actually a lot of fun. When I was in the bunny hill I was like learning, but then I went on the green one and let me tell you, that was a nightmare for me. The beginning was okay, but then as I started going down, the slope became more steep and I just kept falling to the point like where my knees started to pop from getting up so often, and it just hurt so much. I'm like, after a while I just walked all the way down because it was just so frustrating. And yeah, that's what we did the first day. Then we went back, we just ate, and it was fun. Then the next day we actually stayed in because it was raining, so we watched movies, we went out to eat, we played some pool, we drank some wine, and it was a great trip. And then the next day we obviously came home because it was a short trip. So that was a ski trip. I do have a picture of us right here as a group picture that we took. That's like the only picture we took through the trip. So it was a lot of fun. I really want to go again. It was a great experience and I feel like I should have gone maybe the second day to see how much better I would have been compared to the first day, but I was not about it at that time. I just wanted to rest my body because I was sore.
Like it was just very healthy for me to see that because it made me
Hi guys, good morning. Today is January 1st, so happy new year to everyone. I just woke up because I got home like at 3 in the morning and it is 11:30 p.m. and I haven't brushed up, I haven't washed my face, but before I just wanted to do a quick unboxing on the first day of the year. My sister just gave me her gift because I saw her yesterday for the first time since I got back from school. So I gave her her gift and she gave me my gift. And we told each other what it was already, so spoiler, I already know what's in here, but I want to open it with you guys. So I'm gonna open the small one first. I'm really excited about this one. I don't think I have any high-end highlighter except for like the small Becca Opal highlighter that comes in like a little trial size, but she got me the Anastasia and Reezy highlighter. The packaging is so beautiful. And then, most importantly, oh my god, this is so beautiful. So bright, because I'm right in front of a mirror, but it is so beautiful. Thank you, sister. So I'm gonna open the second gift now, and it is this one. And so this one was inspired from the makeup video, and the bigger one was inspired from the hair video. When we were doing my hair, as you guys can see, like I literally did my hair yesterday and it's already a little bit, I don't know, it's like straighter already and there's less curls. And I mean part of it is because I did braid because it was too hot yesterday and I did not have a hair tie. But she got me the Revlon Salon Infrared Styler, and the most important part of this is that it has diffuser, because I never had a diffuser. When we were doing the video I noticed how fast it would dry my hair and how much curl, like how much volume it would give me, because I'm just doing this the whole time, you know. So I'm so excited about this one. I'm not gonna open it right now because I'm a little lazy, but I'm so excited to use this too. And thank you so much to my sister. Hope she likes my gift. Hi guys, this is actually a really weird setup. So today is the second day of 2019 and it is already 4 p.m. so I'm starting the vlog a little bit later. But this morning I actually went to New York to change my phone. I got the XS Max, so the iPhone 10 Plus. They just changed up the name, but it's just a bigger size for the 10X. I also got some food right here. Not jarring right now, the light is red. For my boyfriend from Malecon. So if you guys are in the New York area, in Malecon is the best for Dominican food. And I mean, I don't eat a lot of it because I don't eat meat. So whenever I do go, I just get beans and vegetables and stuff like that. And right now I'm back and I'm on my way to give my boyfriend his food. And we're actually really excited because, oh, you guys can't even see me. And we're actually really excited because today we're gonna go to an animal shelter that is in the area. It's a no-kill shelter because, okay, so we submitted an application for this dog. It's so cute and his name is Bradley. He's such a cute little German Shepherd, literally less than 2 months old. And I was like, oh my god, this is the dog, because I've always wanted a German Shepherd. No, not always, but like recently in the past like 2 or 3 years I wanted a German Shepherd and I wanted a puppy so I can train them from like being a baby because it's easier that way. And I've been waiting for 10 days now and no, I have not heard back. I messaged them on Facebook and they read the message and they didn't answer me, so I don't know what's going on with them. So I'm gonna go to an actual local shelter, meet the dogs in person, and perhaps like find a doggy. I just got here, I'm parking right now, and I'm gonna go give him his food. He's actually waiting for me right there. Hello, Bravo.
Hello, thank you for the food. We have chicken from Malecon restaurant, jasmine rice. Yo, look at that. Whoa!
And I have none. I had a ring too, but it doesn't fit me anymore.
Well, we gotta fix yours.
Yeah. It's like this camera. I'm vlogging from the XS Max. Let me know.
Because you're special.
Like, my camera's fine, but this is just so convenient to use.
It's not even a camera at this point. It's more like a DSLR.
I wouldn't push it.
Well, I would.
There's a lot of chicken right in there.
Yep.
That's only half chicken. A lot of beans. Okay. Enjoy your meal.
Thank you.
Just got to the pet adoption. So we just got back from the dog shelter. So the reason I didn't film anything there is because we didn't actually see any dogs. When we got there, they have a front booth and they ask you like, what are you looking for? What kind of dog are you interested in? Before you even get to see any of the animals there. So we told the woman they wanted a German Shepherd and we also wanted a puppy. And fortunately enough, she was actually fostering a black German Shepherd puppy. And we got to see pictures, some videos, the dog that she was also owns. And it was really nice. It doesn't really look like a German Shepherd. It looks more like a lab because it's a lab mix. And because it came from North Carolina when the dog was 5 weeks old, they don't really know that much and they're just like kind of guessing what the dog is. So we're gonna actually meet that dog on Saturday. She said to put an application in now so that by Saturday, if the application is approved and we want the dog, we can take the dog home right away. Which is a lot of pressure because she kept saying that the dog is so nice and I'm like, I really want the dog already. But we also applied for another dog on Pet Finder and that was in Flushing, New York, and it's already 3 years old, also a black German Shepherd. So we're probably gonna try to meet both the dogs and then make a decision then based on how like we connect with both dogs. But we're really excited. I'm sorry if the vlogs have been mostly of me just talking to you guys in the camera, in my room, and just in one place because it's the holiday season. Today is January 2nd, I believe. Yeah, 2nd. So it's been really busy, but tomorrow I'm going to New York and I'll be vlogging that. We're gonna go to a couple places, so that should be exciting. I look like a mess right now. I'm gonna go take a shower and just relax, probably do a face mask. So I'm gonna end the vlog right here. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog and our adventure in trying to find a dog especially. I hope you guys had a great holiday season and a happy new year, and I will see you guys in the next vlog. Bye bye.